How to fix totally accurate battle simulator is crashing. First, you want to right click on the game in your library, open up the properties window, and then in the general tab and launch options, you want to add -dx11. Then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you want to check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. For NVIDIA GPUs, you will need NVIDIA app. Go to drivers and from here check and download and install the latest available driver updates. And for AMD, you can download and install the AMD software. Now, the next step is to open up a new browser tab and search for Redis. Click on the first Microsoft link. Now, from this table here, you will need to download the 86 and the 64 installers for redistributables. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. And right after the restart, before you open up the game, you will need to launch Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your Steam library. This should fix the crash problem. If you found this helpful, leave a like and a comment, and see you on the next one.